equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface 1901. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Surface 1901 may experience battery issues, often due to wear and tear or faulty connections. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further complications, including device shutdowns and data loss. To begin the repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery specifically for the Surface 1901. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the battery, which is typically situated near the bottom of the device. Carefully disconnect the battery cables, noting their position for reassembly. Remove the screws securing the battery in place, applying gentle force to avoid stripping them. Once the old battery is out, place the new one in, ensuring the cables are connected correctly. Reassemble the device by carefully snapping the back cover into place, ensuring all clips are secure. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future battery issues, avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures and ensure it is charged regularly. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.